Hello, friends. Good evening. And let me see who all are waiting today. P. Srinivas, Sanskar, Abhishek, and all usual names there. So, Hardo. सबसे पहले ना वो संस्कार को प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि यार वहाँ डिसलाइक आ गया है। वो मुझे मालूम है वो डिसलाइक कौन देता है, मेरे पास डेटा आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? सो ओके, Vishakha is there, the real thing. Hello to you. So a lot of my friends now joining in. Already 13, 15 people there. 21 now. Okay. So I think we will have 100 participants today. I know because this is going to be an amazing session today, and 100 participants is the minimum we require for the prize question, right? So now everybody will share the link with your friends so that they can join in and we can have a large crowd today. Okay, great. So let's see the first question for today, the warm up question. This I call the warm up question. थोड़ा सा वार्म अप हो जाएंगे उसके बाद देन वी विल gear up for some difficult questions. Okay, और जब वार्मिंग अप की बात आती है तो we can't get rid of percentages and fractions, right? That's one thing you need to be really good at, and वो तो questions आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Everybody will get that questions. Okay, so the first question coming up your way for the warm up. जस्ट थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज करके वार्म अप हो जाते हैं, ठीक है? चलो पहला क्वेश्चन, दिस इज यू नीड टू टेल मी व्हाट इज हाफ ऑफ 50% ऑफ 20% ऑफ 68. ओके, चलो ये करके दिखा दो मुझे, देखते हैं सबसे पहले कौन करेक्ट आंसर देता है. हु गिव्स मी द करेक्ट आंसर फर्स्ट? वेरी वेरी इजी. हाफ ऑफ 50% ऑफ 20% ऑफ 68. Vidya, maths doesn't have any language. The question is in English only. Please keep attempting. I have to take care of the Hindi crowd also. Okay, no answers yet. 3.4. 17 by 5 to 3.4. That is 3.4 only. Okay, so 0.032 by Viswak. Viswak, check kar lo. You need to check that 17 by 5 and 3.4. Those two answers we are getting right now. Please check your answer. Okay. I think the same answers are coming from everybody. So I think I'll have to solve it quickly and get on with the session, right? Maximum people have not shared the live link with your WhatsApp groups and contacts. That is why we are having only 40 people watching currently. अभी तक तो 80, 90 होना चाहिए था. Okay. So let's see the answer. Udhar Raghav is saying 4.4, something different there. Let's see who got that particular question correctly. You should do it very very quickly, friends. This is just nothing, right? Half of 50% of 50% is again half, right? So you need to take half two times. Half of what? 20% of this. 10% of this is 6.8, right? 6.8 is 10%, and if you double that you will get 20%. So that is 13.6. Now you have to take half and then again half. Half of this is 6.8, right? And half of that is 3.4. Now you can eliminate one more step here. Just watch carefully. 50% of 20% of. So you can leave this and convert it into 10%. That's it. See, 50% of 20% is 10%, right? So 10% of 68 is 6.8, and half of that is 3.4, right? That's how you need to solve. थोड़ा सा smart हो जाओ यार, smart. Everybody should be smart enough. You have been attempting live streams for so many months now, right? So everybody should be smart enough. Okay, I'll give you one more question of this kind so that you can practice doing it like this. Okay, now I want the answers to come very very quickly. Okay, answers should come very quickly because no calculator. If you use calculators, you are going to consume more time. Now watch this. What is 1/3 of Now I'll give you a easy one. See, you need to be careful here, okay? 40% of 60% of 81. What is one third of 40% of 60% of 81? Come on, come on, come on. You can give the answer in fractions, you can give the answer in decimals. Let us see 40% of 60% of 81 and then one third of that. Yeah, Kandim, let us get on with that. Leave that chat. So Vishaka is saying 6.48 and then 22 into 27. Manit Gar 3.24. Doraemon. Durgi. Okay, Durgi. Right. 6.4 by Lohit Reddy. A lot of 6.4s there. 64.8. Oh my God. Raghav Birla. Then 5.48. Jim Matrix. 162 by 25. 486 by 75. Oh my God, you all are so funny, man. जब मैं वो chat देखता हूँ ना, when I see that chat, I see so many different answers for a silly question, and थोड़ा सा you should be like careful about all these. These are not very very huge things. Okay, chalo. Let us convert this 40% and 60% into a fraction. Then the question will be very easy. Conversion of percentages to fractions. Look at this. One third of 40% 2/5 of 30% 3/5 of 81, right? So 3 cancels 27 times. And now this is like 5 into 5, right? But I don't have a common factor here. So I'll convert this into 100 into 4 by 4. Now this is 100. So forget about the denominator now. 27 multiplied by 4 3s are 12 2s are 24. So 27 into 24, 7 to the 28, 8 2 carry, 7 to the 14, then 16 and 8 24, 4 2 carry, and then 6. So 648 divided by 100 is 6.48. Now that's how you need to do it. And the answer came from, let's see. Let's see from where the answer came from. The first person to give me the correct answer. I need to appreciate people, right? इसको देख लेते हैं. I don't want a Kandim there, please. Kandim or a Muhammad Taha there. These are the people who are stealing the show every day. Okay, the first answer came from Vishakha Chaudhary. Very, very well done, Vishakha Chaudhary. Are, this was very simple conversion of all the percentages to fractions. Karo yaar. You should get that in your mind immediately on watching the question. If you don't get that in your mind, then you are landing up nowhere. Acha, 22 likes on the video. What happened, man? 56 people watching and 22 likes on the video is just horrible. I don't want to continue the live stream. Come on, man. 55 people watching, and hardly anybody trying to click the like button. Oh my God. So Suresh Agarwal sir has to be better than that, right? Ab dekho, this is what happens when I ask you to click the like button. No, so many accidentally click the dislike button. The same thing happened now also. Please don't click. Please don't click. Okay. Chalo. Let's see the next one. Okay. There has to be a difference between a like and a dislike. Okay. चलो. आपने पिछले क्वेश्चन में नाम नहीं लिया. संस्कार आप टॉप पे नहीं आए इसलिए नाम नहीं लिया. आप जब टॉप पे, आपको रूल मालूम है ना, तो then why are you creating that question yourself? It was a easy one, Vinod, but you did not come on the top there. Vishakha was there. Let's see who came the second there. Let's appreciate more people there. Vishakha Chaudhary was there, and then Mohammad Taha. संस्कार तो थर्ड है ना, तो संस्कार थर्ड नंबर पे ही अप्रिशिएट करेंगे ना, फर्स्ट नंबर पे तो अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर सकते. Okay, then Kriday Sood, very well done. So Hardo Paul and then Viswak. These were the top 6 people who gave the answer for that particular question. Well done. अब लग रहा है, now I am feeling as if I'll have the prize question today maybe. Okay. अगम राय हो गया यार. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून सब कुछ ले लो यार, बट पोस्ट मत करो बार बार, ठीक है? आपको समझाना बहुत मुश्किल है. आई डोंट नो हाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. ग्रो अप, कम ऑन, ग्रो अप. चलो आगे देख लो. अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कमिंग अप योर वे. Now, these are the questions, which bother the aspirants of competitive exams. They fail to convert the percentages to fractions, and obviously, if you are not able to do that, then lot of the percentages will be a headache for you. So, वो ध्यान में रखना है आपने कि how to convert the percentages to fractions. Okay. Now let's have the next question. Now this question is basically some squaring techniques which I'll be taking up, and let's see whether you can do that quickly or not. Very easy, but you should know the basic trick of squaring there. Okay, let's see. You need to tell me what is 125 square minus 12.5 square minus 1.25 square. Okay, now see, that's the question. एक सिंपल सा नंबर है, बाकी दोनों डेसिमल में है. सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल हियर. You need to be careful here. Now a simple trick of squaring numbers ending with 5 is going to be there. हाँ विनोद, वो डिसलाइक्स की बात मत करो यार. I don't want to appeal to people to like the video. They don't know the difference between likes and dislikes, so leave it. Okay. Okay, some answers coming in there. 1567.1875 is the answer I'm getting. No rounding off, please. Shantanu, you can't round off that. That Agam, you also. You can't round off that. No rounding off allowed there. Okay. I hope you have found out the square of 125 using the short trick, the Vedic maths short trick, because that's the way you need to square this number 125. Chaitanya saying 8. Okay. Okay. So, how would I have done it? Now, that's important to learn here. All the class 6, 7th, 8 students who are watching this live stream, please learn smart methods. Okay. So, when you grow up, that will help you out. The traditional methods are all done up to class 5. So, अभी आगे आगे थोड़ा स्मार्ट बनते जाओ. ठीक है. Let's see the best possible way of solving this. Now see, this 12.5 or 1.25, 125, all the digits are same. So basically the number is 125. So 125 square, how do you square that? ये 5 को छोड़ दो. 12 है ना? 12 into 13 कर लो. That's it. 3 to the 6, 5 and 1, 156. So 156 and followed by 25. That is the square of 125. Now that is the basic thing you should know. Now we have to subtract two decimals from this. So abhi square to you have done it, no? So if you have one digit here, then you will have two digit in the square. So 156.25, this is the square of 12.5, and 1.25, the decimal will be 1.5625. Right? So I'll add these two and then subtract it from this. So 5, 2, 1, 8, and then 7, 5, 1. Now I'll have to subtract this from this number. So 157.8125. So let's subtract. This is 0.0000, right? 10 means 5, 9 minus 2 means 7, 9 minus 1 means 8, and 9 minus 8 means 1. Now, obviously, I carried 1 from here. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 11 minus 5 is 6. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. And then 5 and 1. So here we go. 15467.1875. That is the answer of this particular question. संस्कार सिंह, आपको क्या हो गया है? सारे सब्ट्रैक्शन कहाँ है भाई? पहला वाला तो पॉजिटिव है. I don't know what you are saying. I think you need to get your concepts right. When two things are in negative, they get added together and the answer is in negative. Okay. संस्कार सिंह, that is for you. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, ओवर स्मार्ट होने से ना, if you show like you're over smart, you will end up yourself into trouble. There you are saying no adding. Okay. Let's see. डोसा बाटर हरी रॉक, अरे यार हमें भी बुला लो यार. Invite me also someday. Look at his comment. Okay, so let's see the answer here. I need to see who gave the answer 15467.1875. That's the answer. The first answer, that is the correct answer, came from none other than Gagan Raj. Well done, Gagan Raj. Oh my God. Finally, Gagan is here. Okay. And then Kandim is here. And Gagan, Kandim, and Mohammed Taha, if these people start giving the answer on the top, it's very difficult to beat them. सो ऑल दोज हु आर कमिंग बिहाइंड संस्कार, आप दूसरी चीजों में ज्यादा व्यस्त हो गए हो. यहाँ पर देखो, योर आंसर इज कमिंग एट द 6th or 7th place now. You used to come on the top. Now you are coming at 6th, 7th place. So don't drop down. Try to pull people who are in front of you. Okay. So that's the way you should work, not in faltu ka things. Yeah, leave it. Okay. So Gagan Raj, very well done. Kandim Parekh, super work there. And then we have Mohammed Taha giving the same answer. Srini is there with the correct answer. Srini, welcome. Pranav Ramesh, welcome to you and well done. And then Shantanu, you rounded off that answer, but never mind. चलो चल जाएगा. संस्कार उसके बाद आंसर आया आपका, तो 7th नंबर पे आंसर आया. देन सुमन सिंह, वेल डन. Followed by Sohardo Paul, Kirti was very good yesterday, right? And then Vinod Bhimrao. See, all prominent names: Viswag, Jagdeep, Sumesh Sahu. Everybody is a prominent name on the channel now, and very well done, Gagan Raj, Kandim, and Mohammed Taha. You gave the answer really quickly there. अब इस तरह के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल. इफ यू डोंट नो द शॉर्ट ट्रिक, देन 125 into 125 करने के लिए ही आपको टाइम लग जाएगा, right? So actually 125 square is 5 raised to power 6. So if you know powers of 5 up to 6, then you don't need to square 125. You should know 15625, right? So that's the way it goes. For me, I know up to 5 raised to power 6, I remember those things. Okay, chalo. हाँ ठीक है. अभी somebody is testing my patience, you know. I just keep quiet just because he is very prominent on the channel now, but someday my patience will be lost. See, everybody is blaming that person. Okay, let's have the next one. Very very similar to this question, but try to solve this in minimum time. Now you need to tell me what is 0.195 square plus 1.95 square plus 19.5 square. Now all additions, but be careful, there is no 195 here. And I want the exact answer, not the rounded off answer, please. Not the rounded off answer. Get on with this. No rounding off, please. Okay, so अब इसके बाद next question में I'll be going to exponents. So let's see who is good in exponents. Okay, so some answers coming in there. Please no rounding off. Don't round off the answers. You need to give me the correct answer, exactly correct answer, please. Okay, Srinidhi, you are there with the different ID today. Okay. Okay. Viswak is saying 383. Oh my god, that's a totally different answer. Viswak, how can that answer be not in decimals? Hmm. Chalo, let's solve this because I need to get on with the exponents today. आज आप लोग exponent solve करेंगे, ठीक है? चलो. The first, sorry, the answer for this one. First, we'll have to solve the answer for this one. So 19 multiplied by 20 is 380, right? So 380 25. That is the square of 195. 380 25. 380 25. Now here we have three digits, so in the square we will have six digits, and that six digit means 0 here and then the decimal, right? That's the first one. And then 1.95 square. Now again the same number, but we will have four digits after the decimal now. So 38025. So 3.8025. Now this is important how you write the numbers. And finally this, so one digit after decimal means two digits after the decimal in the square, right? So this will be 38025 means two digits after the square, 380.25. So we will write it like this, 380.25. Now that's important. And now final answer will be obtained by adding these numbers. There we go. The answer for the question 384.090525. Now that's the answer for this particular question. Okay. Now who gave the correct answer here? Let's see and appreciate people there who gave the correct answer, who come up with the correct answer every time I give such questions. Okay. So the first answer came from, this time from, fingers crossed, 384.090525 is the answer I'm expecting, and the answer came from Srini. Very, very well done, Srini. I knew, out of these three or four people, somebody comes up on the top every time. And look at the next name, Kandim Parekh again, second. And then third, Shantanu, you got the decimal wrong. I'm sorry. That's what I told you. When you write the numbers, three numbers, how you write them is really important. Okay. So I'm sorry for that. Your answer is wrong there. And then the same answer came from Mohammad Taha. I think आपने थोड़ा सा round off कर दिया उसको, but it's okay. Then thank you Sayyid Hamid for that comment. And then the same answer from Pranav Ramesh. And hello. I don't know your actual name, so I can't appreciate, right? Satvik, very well done. The same answer came from you. Then Vinod Bhimrao, your answer was exactly correct, followed by Kirti also. Okay, so I told you that exponents, that's something very important, and most of you who are here on the channel, they have seen a lot of short tricks of solving the exponents. So above, let's see. There's some false things going on there. Gagan Raj, please don't get involved in those things. Just concentrate on the short tricks, okay? If I concentrate on the rubbish which is going on there, no, I will not be able to conduct the live stream. So if I'm conducting the live stream, that means just be like me, okay? Just try to ignore, overlook whatever you can. Okay, let's see the next question. This is really important. And now exponents, that is the topic which I'll be taking up for the rest of the live stream. Let's see how many of you can get these questions correct. Now the answer which you give will be in, not in exponents, okay? Obviously your answer will be, I'll try to give you MCQs also so that you are aware of the answer. Okay, the simplified version of 1 upon 1 plus a raised to power n minus m plus 1 upon 1 plus a raised to power m minus n. Just answer ABCD. अभी कौन सा आंसर है आपने मुझे ABCD में बताना है. A 0, B is 1 by 2, C is 1 and D is a raised to power m plus n. Let's see the answer A, B, C, D coming up there. I don't want the exact answer, just answer A, B, C or D. A, B, C, or D, please. I'll accept only A, B, C, or D. Lot of answers coming in there. So there is a controversy between C and D. A has also come up now. Warning to Bhavesh Reddy for posting repeated replies, please. Bhavesh Reddy, please post only once. We all are educated, right? If I tell you once, you can understand that. Bhavesh Reddy, second warning for you. After that, no warnings. I just hide. Split the middle term. Here, where is the middle term? Ankit Anand. Okay, so there, I don't think there is any option which is left out. जो B है वो नहीं आया है, बाकी सारे आंसर्स आ गए. A, C, D. Everybody has answered those out of those. And for me, I think C is the answer which is prominently given there. I think dominating answer जो था वो C था. So let's explain this. Tanvi Rawat, हाँ आपके लिए explain कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Okay, let's see the answer for this. How do you do that? See, power is negative here, right? So 1 upon 1 plus, if the power is negative, then you can split the term like this. Okay. अभी यहां पर भी करेंगे इसको इस तरह से a power m upon a power n. Correct. अब if you take the LCM here, this a power m will go in the numerator, and in the denominator we will have the sum of the two, a power n plus a power m. Right? And now here, that's important, a power n goes in the numerator, and again in the numerator here a power n plus a power n, so that is the same thing which is in the denominator here. Now the denominators are same, so I'm doing it all the steps, but you don't need to do all the steps when you are solving MCQs. So somebody asked me, sir, please solve, explain also, so that is why I'm explaining things. And your answer for the question is C1. Very, very, very easy question. Very easy question. Okay. Now that's how you need to solve this question. Basically, it's a question which requires just the knowledge of basic exponents laws, and you can surely get the answer. Okay. तो देखते हैं कि who has given the answer first correctly. I am looking for that answer C. Only C, please. Jay Patel, well done. I think you were very quick there. You said one first and then quickly posted option C, and that was really amazing and really quick also. So, Jay Patel, thumbs up for you. And then Shantanu, well done. Shantanu, you've been trying so hard coming on the top, right? But this time you just nailed it. Very, very well done. And then we have Kriday Sood coming up with the answer, third person to give me the correct answer. Well done, Kriday. And after that some wrong answers, but I won't accept one, please. I said ABCD. So Smita Singh, you are there with the correct answer. And then Kirti and Viswak, you gave the correct answer but not the option. And then we have Jagdeep, Abhishek Kumar, Lohit, Srini, Shivangi, and Viswak. All these, P Srinivas also, all coming up with the correct answer. This was a easy one, right? एक्सपोनेंट्स का बड़ा आसान सा क्वेश्चन था. अभी थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट बना दें क्वेश्चन को. लेट अस सी कि हमारे लिए एक्सपोनेंट्स का और कैसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Now you need to tell me the value of whatever I'm asking you now. देखो, today is a different day, and we will have different types of questions. Initially I gave you all fractions and percentages, but now no fractions, no percentages. Try to solve some special type of questions. Okay, let's have this question. Now if the value of a, now there is a variable a in the question, so a, the value is given as √3 upon 2. Okay, you need to tell me the value of square root of 1 plus a plus square root of 1 minus a, and your options are 2 minus √3, 2 plus √3, √3 by 2, and √3. These are the four options. Please answer in A, B, C, or D. No different answers, please. A, B, C, or D. So the value of I already see the controversy there. A, B, C, all three have answered. Answers have been given already. easy question. I don't know why this is yielding so many different responses. A, B, C, D. कोई भी आंसर नहीं है जो नहीं आया है. Everybody has given all answers now. All answers. A, B, C, and D. Okay, so I hope to see the correct answer now very soon. बोलते रहो A B D Now, see, I'll tell you something. Observe something here. These type of questions are asked in competitive exams, and see how many people are getting that right. So many people are getting that wrong, and because the concepts are wrong, right? You don't know how to elaborate those concepts, how to get those answers. But अभी यहाँ पे A B C D में से कोई भी आंसर ऐसा नहीं है जो नहीं आया है. So you have given all answers, right? So let's see how you solve this question and get to the answer of this particular question. Now, for me, it will be a little bit easier for me to, rationalize this expression and convert it into a simpler form. So this is A plus B, right? So I will rationalize by A minus B. So if you know a little bit of rationalization, you know that we rationalize by the opposite sign. So this will be the rationalizing factor, and the denominator will have the same term, root 1 plus A minus root 1 minus A. See, I will not write this in the competitive exams, but I am just writing it just to tell you the process behind this. Now A plus B and A minus B, A square minus B square. So numerator becomes 1 plus A plus minus 1 plus A. So that's the expression. So that will be 1 plus A minus 1 plus A. And in the denominator, square root of 1 plus A minus square root of 1 minus A. Okay. So just see the numerator. It has become 2. Right? So that's how you need to first see this question as. Now, the expression square root of 1 plus A plus square root of 1 minus A whole square. If you apply A plus B whole square, this will be A square plus B square minus 2AB. Right? So obviously A gets cancelled and we have 2 times 1 plus square root of 1 minus A square. Now here you can put the value of A here. A is root 3 by 2. So A square, that means A square will be 3 by 4. So put A square as 3 by 4. So twice of 1 plus square root of 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Correct? Now this will be 1 by 4 means half. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So twice of 3 by 2 is 3. So the value for this particular expression is 3, and therefore if you cancel this square root, the square, this will go in square root, and your answer will be square root of 3, which is D. Look at this. That's the way you can solve it. This is the way we should crack this question. If you use A plus B whole square, it is okay. Even if you don't rationalize and forget all these steps, it is okay. You can go for only this step. Just see this, only this step. I thought of rationalizing it first, but then I thought it will be better off going for A plus B whole square, and now D is the answer. Okay, so let's get on with this and see the answer D. The answer D came first from, initially I had lot of wrong answers, so I didn't expect that actually. B, C. Who gave the answer D? Where is the first correct answer D? Friends, you can tell me who gave the correct answer D first, because I can see tons of wrong answers. Tons of wrong answers. Oh my goodness. Okay, the answer D for me, it came from all wrong answers initially. B, C, B, C. I think it was Tanvi Rawat who gave the correct answer first up. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So Let's see. Let's appreciate Tanvi Rawat. Well done. So D is indeed the correct answer. And who is the next one to give me that answer? Kandim, where are you? अरे इसका आंसर गलत कैसे हो गया आपका? Then the second person was creatist nation. Well done. And then P Srinivas, you got the correct answer. Well done. And then Shivangi is there with the correct answer. And who is the fifth one? I need to take one more name, and that name is Gagan Raj. Well done. Some rubbish chat going on there. Sanskar Singh, you are testing my patience. I told you before also. It's okay. Let's have the next one. Next question, all of you. So I think the simplification part is now getting tougher for most of you, because this question yielded the maximum wrong answers, and I think many of the students went for a copy paste method there. Many of the students went for the copy paste method. So if you are copy pasting, you just realize that actually you are creating a trouble for yourself. If you start copy pasting every time you solve these type of problems, then what are you going to gain from participation in these type of live streams? There is no way you can find a way out of this problem. So just get rid of that habit, solve it yourself, and then try to do it. Okay, now the next question, very important, and let's see, this came in the CDS exam, so I need to give it to you. The square root of x upon y is equal to 10 upon 3 minus square root of y upon x. Okay, now that's one equation which is given, obviously two variables, so we should have one more equation, and the second equation is x minus y equal to 8. Now these are the two conditions which are given, and you need to find the value of x, y. Find x, y. And your options: A equal to 36, B 24, C 10, and D 9. So these are the four answers. Get on with this one. A difficult question, but I need to now test you, because a lot of simple simplifications have already been done. So now you should know how to solve all these type of questions easily. Come on, friends. This is not as difficult as it looks. I hope somebody can give me the correct answer here. Let's see where from that answer will come. Now it's a difficult one. I can understand it's a difficult one, but if somebody can send me the answer for that, it will be great, because I can see a lot of answers coming in there, but not the solution. So most of you are just trying to post some answer or the other, A, B, C, D. Now you can see, no, there is no answer which has not come up for that particular question. Every answer has come up there. So something very interesting going on there. Very interesting indeed. That's how the things shape up, when you don't do it and just while away the time. Okay, so let's see the answer for this one. Okay, what I do it today is, I think there's some unpleasant things going on there. The Bhimrao, please post only one answer. See, some people have to be warned today, right? Sanskar Singh, this is a final warning for you for posting, messages which are not in context. You have to post the answers of the questions which I give, not for the rubbish things which is happening there. Mohammed Taha, please don't get involved in chats, private personal chats with Sanskar. These are the some of the things which I wanted to warn you. Okay. I don't know who is Smita Singh, but today I am terminating the live stream beforehand, just because I don't want to see all these things happening on the channel. Please don't do it. I will be back tomorrow at 8 p.m. surely for more questions of exponents, and then you can surely try and come and participate. No, I will not block them directly. Raj Shukla, no, I don't do that. I like to give warnings, and Nishan Singh, see, 3 messages. So it's okay. I don't want to just keep on blocking people there. right? So I'll come back tomorrow for yet another live stream. You can wait for me at 8 p.m. tomorrow, and surely we will have more questions going tomorrow. So till then, it's Dr. Suresh Agrawal signing off for today. Good night and stay blessed, everybody.